Hello friends, become smart from Long Beach in Pacific Rim National Reserve. This is just a walking distance of 5 minutes from walking campsite at Green Point in Pacific Rim Island. Look at here the Pacific Ocean in the evening at about 8 p.m. I came to see sunset, but because of clouds, you don't see that sunset. Just a glimpse of that at the far end. You can see now the big tide will come. Slowly the wave height would rise, and also they would come closer and closer to the beach. Look at the forest behind, and within this forest the campsites are there. Closer view. Enjoy the sound of waves. Okay, take care. See you again.